continue with some samples. Okay. This is a paragraph entitled Our Desert Ocean. Okay. Now we are going to underline keywords that will actually give you a sign of the attitude of the authors. Modern fishing methods are unsystematic. Okay, this is an opinion, right? Some people think modern fishing methods are unsystematic. Okay, underline. Everything is caught, not just the fish species targeted. So is this a positive or negative thing? Negative, right? And then the word unlucky fish are often thrown back dead into the sea. Negative. Okay. They may not have commercial value, but they are essential to the marine ecosystem. So this is to show something is not right. Right? And then what else? Destructive fishing methods. What else? Fish are poisoned, killed, degrade, destroy. So you can see a lot of negative imagery in this paragraph. So between two, to inform, to persuade, which one does it fall into? To persuade, right? Because there's a lot of opinion words like unsystematic, destructive, destroy. All right. So now let's try to narrow down from to persuade to something that is more specific. What can you tell from the way the writer writes the paragraph? Is it to argue? Is it to influence? Is it to criticize? What's the real intention? Okay, if you can see, this is actually to criticize modern fishing. All right. What are the justification? These are all the justification, the underlying words. Okay, so you can justify the attitude through the word choice, the details given, all right, and the whole images of the words used. Right. Okay, let's have a look at the next example. This is on traffic congestion. Right, traffic congestion. Let's underline. Okay. A number of steps. This means building more roads with wider lanes so that more cars. So this is like explaining something, right? When you say this means, it's like you are explaining in a clearer manner of something that you have mentioned earlier. Tunnels and bridges can be constructed in order to reduce the congestion. Okay, also to explain. A more popular solution, therefore, would be to encourage other forms of transport, which will lead to fewer cars on the road. Okay, so between to inform and to persuade, which one does it fall to? Hmm? So this is more to explain or to inform, right? As you can see here, there are a number of steps that can be taken to reduce road congestion. It's like telling you, okay, hey, I want to tell you there are a number of steps that can be taken to reduce road congestion, right? Okay, so these are what about the attitude? Is it something positive or negative? It's giving solution, right? So it's a positive attitude. Okay, and to be exact, this is actually optimistic. The author is being optimistic about the problem of road congestion. Okay, let's continue. Plagiarism. What is plagiarism? The act of cheating. Plagiarism is when you hand in work for an assessment and part or all of the work is not your own. Okay, this one, persuade, to inform, which one? It is considered a serious matter in academic institutions. If a student plagiarizes someone else's work, they may lose grades or fail part or all of their course. So, does it try to persuade you, or does it only explain or tell you about plagiarism? Typical examples of plagiarism. So this is very objective. This is to explain or to inform you about plagiarism. Okay, how it is being defined. Okay, what types of plagiarism. Okay, the attitude of the author is, this one is a bit objective. All right, it doesn't have a certain opinion. Okay, it is just telling you some information, factual information. All right, okay. Next is energy consumption. So what is this? An article. So normally when you have in-text citation such as this is actually an article, like maybe a feature article, journal article. Okay. So is it to inform or to persuade? Lots of facts, right? Doubled between 1970 and 2000. Set to double again. Perhaps not surprising that many people consider this world energy consumption levels to be dangerously high. So it is to inform, okay, to describe the problem of energy consumption. Okay, and the attitude. What about the attitude? While this growth has gone hand in hand with population growth, it has been worsened by the fact that people's consumption patterns are increasing. So towards the end, you can see there's a concern, right? The author is trying to show his worry towards this issue. So the attitude here is concerned. Okay. All right. I think that will be all for recognizing author's intention and attitude. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.